Today, we will take you through one of PipeWrench's many unique services, pipe bursting. Pipe bursting is a method of sewer line replacement that is more efficient and requires less excavation, leaving your yard as clean as possible. 2 holes are dug at the replacement points. A length of pipe is prepared by fusing 2 pieces together, or more depending on the length. The old piping is removed to prepare for the bursting. At the other end, a cable is ran through the old pipe to attach to the new pipe. A fitting is then put on the new pipe and attached to the cable. With the pipe ready to go, a machine to pull the pipe is set up at the other end. The machine will slowly pull the pipe through the old pipe, bursting it along the way. As the pipe comes through, the machine and fitting are removed. A sledgehammer is used to push it the few final inches. Couplings are then used to attach the new pipe to the existing pipes, and the pipe bursting is finished. The technicians will now backfill the holes and spread grass seed, leaving the yard in top shape. Thanks for tuning in, and have a wonderful day.